मुंगारा पडिल्ल्या उटंगराच्या पावसाक लागून पणजी शाराक व्हडलोसो त्रास जावंक ना. शारात सुमार 20 धोकादायक इमारती आसात. तांचे सर्वेक्षण पुराय करून संबंधित खात्याक वळेरी दिल्या म्हणून पणजी महापालिकेचे महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरात हांणी सांगले. मजगतीं राना खात्यान धोकादायक आशिल्ली 350 झाडां कापपाक सांगल्यात. तातूंतली 100 झाडां कापपाची उरल्यात. हे काम बेगीनूच पुराय जातलें. पावसाळ्याक येवकार दिवपाक पणजी शार सज्ज आसा. सगळी यंत्रणा सतर्क आसा अशी माहिती महापौर मोन्सेरात हांणी दिली.
Nothing happened in Panjshir, you see nothing.
No, wait. And what about the dangers, buildings and trees?
See that full list of buildings now we've spoken to GC. I'll give you that full list of all the surveys that have been done. Now trees, Forest Department has given us a list of some 350 trees. So there are some 100 or something that are still left, pruning and all. So that the teams are active throughout the day. See, last time with yesterday train there was no major issue anyway also. In that Miramar Circle, there's one drain estimate that is being prepared through PWD for that drain from Miramar Circle till Bal Bhavan. So that should reduce all the flooding in the Stella Marie area also. Apart from that, there is no major. Ego Bar also, I've called somebody from PWD now to check and see what the issue, what we can do over here. There is some minor thing because that drain got clogged. Apart from that, Panjim was okay. There was no issue.
And you told just now the 303. It is it from the Panjim or around?
Only Panjim.
Only Panjim.
Only Panjim. See, last time that girl passed away.
Yeah.
The roots were cut and the tree was unstable and it fell. So we had asked the forest department to conduct a survey of all the trees. And only Altin escaped. They were doing that. So out of all those trees, around say 150 are left to be cut. So that my teams are going, are getting it done throughout today.
And what about those buildings, dangerous buildings?
The buildings also, that full list of GSE has sent a report to all of us. Now we're going to act on that list, full list.
How many?
There were some 20 or something buildings were there.
In the Panjim. Okay.
Pre-monsoon was okay. So it rained yesterday, there was no issue. So but as and when, see, yesterday was a good trial for us also. Now we know that there were no major issues, so we are working on whatever the clogged areas are. So there should not be a